Sending files should be fast. But if you're still attaching large files to emails, you're using one of the slowest and most frustrating ways to share anything. Most people send files the same way every time. Attach the file, wait for it to upload, press send, and hope nothing goes wrong. But this creates a lot of hidden problems. Uploads fail. File size limits block you. Emails get delayed. And the same file gets duplicated again and again in different inboxes. Worse than that, once you send an attachment, you lose control over that file completely. You can't update it. You can't revoke access. And if there's a mistake in the file, you have to resend everything all over again. So what's the smarter option? Instead of sending files, you should be sending links. Cloud storage links are faster, safer, and far more flexible than attachments. And once you get used to it, you'll never want to go back to sending files the old way. Here's the smart workflow. First, upload your file to a cloud storage service like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or any similar platform. This works for everything: documents, videos, images, presentations, PDFs, and even large zip files. Once the file is uploaded, generate a shareable link. Now instead of sending a heavy attachment, you just send a lightweight link that opens instantly. The recipient clicks the link, and the file opens directly from the cloud. No waiting for email uploads. No worrying about file size limits. So why is this better? Let's break it down. Number 1. No file size limits. Email systems usually block files larger than 20 or 25 megabytes. But with cloud links, you can share files that are hundreds of megabytes or even several gigabytes. Perfect for video projects, design files, or large datasets. Number 2. Faster delivery. Instead of waiting for your email to upload the file, send, and then download again on the other side, the file is already online and ready. You're only sending a tiny link, which is almost instant. This saves time for both you and the person receiving the file. Number 3. Full control. With cloud links, you decide who can view the file, who can comment, who can download, and who can edit. And if you change your mind, you can remove access anytime. If someone no longer needs the file, you can block the link with one click. You simply cannot do that with email attachments. Once it's sent, it's gone forever. Number 4. Updates are easy. This is one of the biggest advantages. If you update the file, fix a mistake, or add new content, the link stays the same. So everyone always sees the latest version automatically. No more sending final version, final version 2, final version really final, and final version final. One link. Always updated. This is especially useful for work documents, school projects, group assignments, client files, and content collaboration. Now let's talk about another hidden benefit: organization. When you send links instead of attachments, you naturally start organizing files in folders. For example, one folder for work, one for school, one for personal documents, one for media projects. So instead of sending individual files one by one, you can even share entire folders with one link. That means anytime you add new files, the other person can access them immediately without you sending anything again. This is perfect for long-term projects. Extra tip for better collaboration: before sharing, rename your files clearly. Instead of document1.docs, final_new_version.pdf, use names like marketing_plan_March_2026.pdf. YouTube_script_episode_05.docs. Clear file names plus organized folders equals fewer mistakes and fewer messages asking which file is the correct one. Now, some people worry about security. But cloud storage is actually safer than email attachments. Why? Because platforms like Google Drive and Dropbox use encryption, activity tracking, and access control. You can even see who opened the file and when. If your email gets forwarded, you lose all control. But with cloud links, you stay in control. So the smarter habit is simple. Stop sending files. Start sending links. It's faster. It's cleaner. It's more professional. And it saves you time every single day. Once you switch to this method, you'll wonder why you ever sent attachments in the first place. For more simple digital habits that save time and reduce stress, check out the rest of this channel.